friends, hello everyone. I'm Barkis Network Samuel Oliver. I'm very glad to meet you for the first time after the Spring Festival holiday. Did you have any special concerns during these holidays? I think many of you have been closely following the crypto asset market during the holidays. Friends who follow the news should know that Bitcoin has soared all the way since 2021, successfully hit 30,000, 40,000 and 50,000 US dollars marks. More and more users want to join the digital asset mining ecosystem, but they faced with high threshold of mining, which not easy to enter. If you also want to join mining now, you can follow us. We at Barkis Mining provide a full range of one-click operation services, from mining machine procurement, custody, operation, maintenance, and revenue allocation, which are simply and easy to operate. For specific details, please search the link on the top of our screen. Of course, in order to bring our users a better high-quality service experience, our BKS team has been moving forward and never stops. After release of the first generation Pontus mining machine, we still continue its strategic layout. In the future, we will continue to work hard to optimize the Barkis mining sector, continuously improve the strategic layout of the industry. Please look forward to it. Mentioned here, I have to mention to everyone, on February 19th, the BKSBEX platform launched a special BKS mining pool computing power reward mechanism for the rapid realization of big data goals and empowering physical technology. It enhances the value demand of the core token BKS on the Barkis Network public chain. It also allows users to experience the ecological mining of the Barkis project, improve the blockchain ecology of its great significance to Barkis. If you want to know the specific details of the BKS mining pool computing power reward mechanism, you can follow our official website. Time always flies fast, and I have to say goodbye to everyone again. If you want to know the latest BKS news, please scan the QR code on the screen to join Barkis official Telegram community. But before I stop filming this video, I would like to say greetings to all ladies watching us. Wish all of you be happy. Happy Women's Day in advance. At the same time, I wish you all a happy weekend. In the end, I will reveal the answer to the Easter egg left by Kate last time. Did you guess it right? Alright, see you in the next time.